Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best protein powders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Unflavored Whey Protein Powder. All of our nutritionists agree that most people using an animal-based protein powder will find those made with whey to be the easiest to digest and the fastest in terms of muscle growth. There are two types of whey protein isolate and whey protein concentrate, and the experts say the best kind is whey protein isolate, because it is strained in a way that gives it a lower lactose content than whey protein concentrate. Personal trainer Kern Alexander told us that after 15 years of trying different options, his powder of choice is this unflavored one from Now Sport, a brand Burkow cited as one to look for. It contains whey protein isolate and isn't loaded with artificial sweeteners, according to Alexander, who says its lack of flavor means, I can add berries and banana and just taste those. Moving on at number 9, we have the Now Sports Nutrition Whey Protein Isolate, 25G. Now Whey Protein Isolate is a high-quality protein that is both bioavailable and easily digested. Whey protein has naturally occurring branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Now Whey Protein Isolate is ideal for active individuals. Whey protein is considered to have the highest biological value, BV, of any protein source, superior in essential amino acid content to beef, milk, casein, or soy. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Unflavored protein powder with BCAAs. Now Whey Protein Isolate is a high-quality protein that is both bioavailable and easily digested. Mix 1 level scoop into your daily smoothie for 25 grams of protein per serving. At number 8, we have the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard 100% whey uses pure whey protein isolates as the primary ingredient. Combined with ultra-filtered whey protein concentrate, each serving provides 24 grams of all whey protein and 5.5 grams of naturally occurring branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are prized by athletes for their muscle-building qualities. With more than 20 tempting flavors to choose from, On Gold Standard 100% whey gives you plenty of ways to keep workout recovery interesting. Search On Apparel True Strength to see our new On clothing line. At number 7, we have the Cellucor Whey Sport Protein Powder. Whey Sport Protein is NSF certified and packs 30 grams of whey protein, 2.5 grams of creatine, and 2 grams of glutamine per 2 scoops to boost post-workout recovery. Why Whey Sport Protein? Taking Whey Sport within 30 minutes of your workout can help ensure that your muscles are primed for growth and ready for tomorrow's workout. Taking a protein supplement that promotes muscle recovery like Whey Sport can help you achieve the lean muscle gains that you worked so tirelessly for. You went hard during your workout and pushed yourself to your limits, so now it's time to take a load off and relax. Whey Sport is the second step in our 1, 2, 3 Sport system, and when used in conjunction with C4 Sport and BCAA Sport, can help form the basis of tomorrow's workout. At number 6, we have the Garden of Life Sport Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder Chocolate. Organic plant-based protein offers a blend of certified organic proteins from multiple sources, featuring U.S.-grown organic peas, to give it a great smooth and creamy texture. The Organic Muscle Recovery Blend includes organic tart cherries, organic apples, organic turmeric, organic goji berries and organic blueberries. These antioxidants are known to promote faster recovery. Because many sports participants compromise their immune systems due to intense training programs, we added a specially selected, clinically studied probiotic that has been shown to support immune health during intensive workouts. Organic plant-based protein is the cleanest protein available, having quadruple, third-party certifications saying so. Not only is it certified USDA organic and non-GMO project verified, organic plant-based protein takes it to the next level for sport by being NSF certified for sport and Informed Choice for sport certified. This ensures there are no banned athletic substances, just whole clean nutrients. At number 5, we have the Isagenix IsaLean Whey Protein Shake, Creamy Dutch Chocolate, 14 packets. Protein, whether from food sources or supplements, is a non-negotiable part of a healthy diet. IsaLean helps support muscle building, healthy weight loss, workout recovery, and general health and well-being. IsaLean Shake by Isagenix can help you reach your goals faster. Isagenix is a trusted and respected organization that exists to inspire and empower individuals, families, and communities to live their best life through a journey of nutrition, health, and overall wellness. Isagenix IsaLean flavors is a nutritious, balanced, and complete superfood meal replacement used to support healthy weight loss and lean muscle building. And, because it's a superfood meal in one drink, it has many of the nutrients that can support you with weight management and total body nourishment. At 240 calories, 24 grams of high-quality undenatured protein, 8 grams of fiber, and 23 essential vitamins and minerals in one drink goes a long way toward helping you feel satisfied for a longer period of time without depriving your body of much-needed nutrition. At number 4, we have the Now Sports Unflavored Pea Protein Isolate, 2lb. For vegans, vegetarians, lactose-intolerant folks, and anyone else who doesn't eat animal products, plant-based protein powders are, obviously, the way to go. As the nutritionists told us, powder made with pea protein is generally seen as the most effective plant-based alternative to whey. And they say a pea protein isolate, like a whey protein isolate, is even better, because it has the highest amount of protein per scoop. Like Alexander, fitness coach Ebony Fowler prefers an unflavored protein powder so she can better mix it with other ingredients. But unlike Alexander, she follows a mostly plant-based diet, which is why she looks for powders with pea protein isolate and no added sugar, preservatives, or fillers, so the only ingredient is pea protein isolate. While her favorite powder is currently out of stock, this one from Now Sports, a brand mentioned by nutritionists and trainers, has a similar formulation, in that its only ingredient is pea protein isolate. At number 3, we have the Organe Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder, Creamy Chocolate Fudge, 2lb. Organe Organic Creamy Chocolate Fudge Protein Powder is a naturally smooth and delicious nourishment drink with 21 grams of organic protein and 7 grams of organic fiber per serving. Each serving is USDA organic, gluten-free, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, soy-free. No artificial flavors, colors or preservatives. This protein shake powder is great to mix with water or milk post-workout or while you're on the go through your busy day. This is great for the entire family, including kids. At number 2, we have the Legion Athletics Plant Plus Protein Powder, Vanilla, 2lb. Alo Moves instructor and nutrition coach Roxy Jones says this vanilla-flavored powder made with a blend of rice and pea protein is the first plant-based powder I've tried that doesn't taste chalky or funky. She adds that it also blends really well, almost to a thicker consistency, when added to oatmeal or smoothies. Jones told us she's recommended it to all of my clients, especially the ones with digestive troubles, and so far they've all enjoyed it too. And finally at number 1, we have the Tru Peanut Butter Banana Cupcake Protein Powder, 1.7 lb. Will Jackson, the founder of New York City fitness studio WRKNYC, says his favorite protein powder is TRU's plant-based peanut butter banana cupcake powder because it's a little on the sweeter side, which is a plus for him. He started, and has stuck to, using the powder made from a blend of pea and rice protein after trying a number of other plant-based options that didn't check out. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.